Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to hide your relationship status on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Go ahead and log into your account. Step 2. Click on your profile photo from the top right corner to open your profile. Step 3. Once your profile is open, click on the About section. Step 4. In the Family and Relationships tab, look for the icon next to the pen. Icon next to your current relationship status. Click on it. Step 5. From the options provided, select Only Me to ensure that your relationship status is visible only to you. Step 6. Finally, click on Done to save your changes. That's it. You have successfully hidden your relationship status on Facebook. Now you can keep your personal life private. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.